Welcome back to HandiWorks, the channel where we explore the world of crafts and creativity. Whether you're a seasoned embroiderer or just starting out, these stitches will add an extra layer of creativity to your projects. The scallop blanket stitch is a decorative hand embroidery stitch that is a variation of the traditional blanket stitch. It is used to create a scalloped or wavy edge along fabric or embroidery projects. This stitch is often employed as an edging for blankets, tablecloths, pillowcases, and other fabric items, adding a beautiful finishing touch. Half chevron stitch. Half chevron stitch is an interesting variety of chevron stitch with one side of the stitch being worked with a similar hand motion. You can work this stitch on plain and even weave fabric in most types of embroidery thread. It makes a useful border or outline stitch which follows curves well. Bonnet stitch can be worked in rows or at different heights. Think of all the patterns you make with buttonhole stitch, as you can adapt many of these to bonnet stitch too. It is a case of experimenting a little. It is also interesting if you work bonnet stitch at different angles or use it to couch heavy threads to the fabric. Barred chain stitch. Just like chain stitch, barred chain stitch is a linear stitch that will follow curves well and can be easily worked on all types of fabrics. It is easy and quick to work and suitable for a large variety of threads. Crossed buttonhole stitch is an interesting variety of buttonhole. You can create patterns and interesting borders with this stitch. Sorbello stitch. Sorbello stitch is an even weave hand embroidery stitch that originated in the village of Sorbello in Italy, and most people encounter it in traditional embroidery. It looks like a cross stitch with a knot in the middle, a textured cross stitch. Double lock stitch. Lock stitch looks simple but is amazingly versatile. There is also a double version. Both are very quick and easy to stitch, look good in a range of threads, will follow a curve or worked row upon row, make a wonderful filling stitch. Shell chain stitch can be easily worked in a circle or on a curve, and you can emphasize the effect by angling the needle further left or right. It is a fun and interesting linear stitch, which is effective as an edging stitch too. But if you layer it, you build up some very interesting textures with it too. Sailor stitch can be used as an edging stitch that can be worked along the hem or edge of an item. Since it is a buttonhole stitch with a chained base, it forms a hard-wearing ridge, which makes it far more useful as a way to finish an edge of something like a fabric postcard, for instance, than regular buttonhole. It can also be used as an edge for applique work, producing a ridged line around the shape. Boucle stitch. Boucle stitch is a stitch that can be worked on any grid. It is normally used as a canvas work stitch, but it also can be worked on any fabric that is an even weave. So you can use it on foundation fabrics such as Aida and linen, apart from working it traditionally on mono or interlock canvas. Thank you once again for being a part of this community, and get ready for an exciting lineup of projects in the upcoming videos.